videos of this learning path, you've learned how to create product listings and set up fulfillment for your products on Amazon. Now, once your products are listed and ready to be fulfilled, the next step in the perfect launch framework is helping shoppers discover those products. Now, one way to do that is through advertising, and in this video, we'll focus on sponsored products. We'll cover what sponsored products are, where they appear, the benefits they offer, how to create a campaign, and how to optimize both your ads and product detail pages. So, let's get started. Sponsored products are cost per click ads that promote individual product listings on Amazon. These ads help you promote your products to shoppers who are browsing or searching on Amazon. Sponsored product ads appear in search results and on product detail pages alongside organic listings. They can appear on desktop and mobile browsers, on the Amazon mobile app, and on select premium apps and websites. When a shopper clicks on a sponsored products ad, they're taken directly to the product detail page. You can create a sponsored products campaign in just a few minutes, even if you're new to advertising. So now that you know what sponsored products are and where they appear, let's look at why they can be especially useful when you are getting started as an Amazon seller. Sponsored products are designed to make it easy for shoppers to discover and buy your products. Since these ads take shoppers directly to the product detail page, customers can quickly browse and make a purchase, often in just 1 or 2 clicks. Sponsored products also gives you strong control over your advertising spend. Now, you can set daily or lifetime budgets based on what works for your business. And since sponsored products follow a cost per click model, you only pay when a shopper actually clicks on your ad. Now, to help you improve over time, the reporting dashboard gives you visibility into how your ads are performing. You can review key metrics and use those insights to refine bids, budgets, and targeting of your campaigns. You can also choose how you want to reach shoppers, by targeting keywords they search for or by targeting specific products and categories depending on your advertising goals. Your ads will only appear in relevant shopping contexts and only when your advertised products are in stock. While sponsored products are built to support sellers at every stage, they give new sellers a simple way to plan, launch, and manage your advertising campaigns. Let's now look at how you can create a sponsored products campaign. Getting started is simple and can be done directly from Seller Central. Start by logging into Seller Central. Open the menu, select Advertising, and then click on Campaign Manager. If you are using the new Seller Central experience, go to Create and under Marketing, select Create a Campaign. Click Create Campaign and choose Sponsored Products as your ad type. Next, select the products you want to advertise. Amazon may suggest products from your catalog that are most likely to generate impressions and clicks. Including these suggested products can help increase your chances of engagement and ad attributed sales. Once you've selected your products, choose how you want to target shoppers through your ads. Targeting defines when and where your ads appear on Amazon. Sponsored products offer automatic targeting, manual targeting, and negative targeting. Automatic targeting is the quickest and easiest way to get started. Amazon automatically matches your ads to relevant keywords and products, helping you save time while also generating insights that you can use later. After you've selected your targeting, it's time to set your bids. Your bid is the maximum amount you're willing to pay when a shopper clicks on your ad. You can choose between dynamic bids or fixed bids, depending on how much flexibility you want. Finally, complete your campaign settings by choosing a campaign name, start and end dates, and your daily budget. Once you've reviewed the details, you are ready to launch your sponsored products campaign. Once your sponsored products campaign is live, you can monitor its performance and make adjustments over time. And one way to start is by reviewing campaign metrics such as impressions, clicks, and cost per click in Campaign Manager. Many sellers take an always-on approach by setting no end date, then adjusting bids and budgets based on results to align with advertising goals. Along with campaign settings, make sure the product detail pages you advertise are ready to support your advertising. Clear product titles, high quality images, bullet points, and complete product information help shoppers understand your product and make confident purchase decisions after clicking on an ad. Where available, enhanced content like A+ content can add more context and detail to the product detail page. And remember, your products need to be in stock so that your ads are eligible to appear. Regularly reviewing both your ad performance and your product detail pages can help keep your advertising and catalog working together effectively. Let's quickly recap what we covered in this video. Sponsored products are cost per click ads that promote individual product listings on Amazon. We looked at where these ads appear and how they help shoppers discover products. We walked through how to create a sponsored products campaign, including selecting products and choosing targeting options. We also covered how to monitor performance, make adjustments, and ensure your product detail pages are ready to support advertising. Sponsored products are an important part of the perfect launch framework, helping you drive visibility once your listings and fulfillment are in place. In the next video, we'll move on to promotions, where we look at coupons, deals, and basket building promotions available on Amazon. Thank you for watching and happy selling.